front of me is HUAWEI Nova 13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app and tapping on Agree at the bottom right corner. Then use this red button at the bottom, and as you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, tap on this right one. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to end it and save it, on the middle one. Now to play it, click on it, choose Allow, click on it again, and then operate all of those options however you wish to. If you want to get to even more options, go back, hold your recording here, and select Rename, Share, More, or Delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!